Hello and welcome. Now in this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna see how to make a phone call using Android Studio. Now ladies and gentlemen, we have this normal design that we have worked with, which is just a button with some style and an ID. Okay, and if we go to our main activity.kotlin, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here in this line of code, here we are fetching the button. Okay, here we are setting a one-click listener on the button, and here we are gonna add the code for the phone call. Okay, so for the phone call, okay, and it's really simple. We are gonna use the phone application that been installed or that's come by default with the Android applications. And to do this, we are gonna use the intent once again. So I'm gonna start an activity for an intent. Okay, and here I need to specify the type of intent, and should be intent. Let me just type intent, and the type here dot, we should specify the action del. Okay, and the second thing, we need to pass it the phone number that we want to make call to, and we can type it using URI.from_parse. Okay, and what we can do here, we are gonna specify three things. The first one should be tel for the telephone. Okay, and the second one should be the phone number that we want to call, and in this case, let's say how about any number. I'm not gonna make a real phone call. Okay, this one. And the third one will be, it's asking us for a fragment. In our case, I'm gonna make it null, and if you do not know what does a fragment mean, do not worry, we are gonna take it. And last but not least, what we can do now, we should add okay, we have an error here. It's not an error, but we are missing an extra brackets. Okay, and everything is set up. Now what we can do, we can run our application on a real Android device, and let's see how it will work. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have our application up and running, and what we can do, we can start testing it. So click on the call button. As you can see, it's asking us for completing the action using any phone application that been installed on our Android device, and we can, let's say, try this one. Okay, of course I do not want to make a phone call, but I want to show you the functionality. Okay, so as you can see, we can now try to call it, but of course I'm not gonna do this because this is a not valid phone number, so everything will be crashed. Okay, so that was our making a phone call using Android Studio. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna continue on in the next video.